There's nothing better or more American than a good old backyard barbecue. But hot dogs and burgers, that's like so last decade. Today, we're gonna be making tuan, or Asian meat on a stick. Follow me. My name's Steve Chu, chef and co-founder of Ekiben. Today, we're at the Fells Point Farmers Market, finding some of the best veggies and proteins to make this dish. Let's do this. What's up, dude? Long time no see.
What's going on? How you been, man?
Good, good.
Good, good.
So we're gonna make some like Asian skewers called tuan, so like very flavorful, very spicy. So we need veggies and we need like nice fatty proteins.
I know you always like our more marbled cuts.
Yeah, something like very tender.
Right. I got some selection here for you of some nice like different cuts, and we can take a look at.
These are beautiful.
These are all grass raised and then grain finished, raised on our farm right in northern Baltimore County and processed by a local butcher.
I mean, you can tell the quality of meat. Like, look at this fat cap right here. It's really, really gorgeous, and all the marbling.
You know what they say, fat is flavor, so.
There we go. That's what we're looking for. What's up, boss?
So we have pounds of shrimp here.
Amazing.
These are 3 pounds.
So these are bay scallops?
Those are bay scallops. Those are harvested twice a year. So yeah, we get them twice a year, so they're very rare for us. We get these bay scallops all year long.
Okay. Well, we'll take both of them.
Got it. All right.
We're gonna make tiny little tender morsels of lamb, skewer them, cook them with charcoal, hit it with a ton of spices, chilies, cumin, salt. So we need something that'll stand up to all those spices and all that heat.
Then I would suggest this.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, and you can, break this down, and the rounds will make really nice cubes.
Yeah.
So hopefully this fits the bill for you.
Yeah, I can't wait to use this. I mean, all lamb is essentially grass-fed, so it's less gamey, more tender.
Oh yeah, less gamey, more tender. Sometimes I think it's hard to recognize that it is lamb. It still has that lamb flavor, but it's the gaminess is not there.
Oh, I can't wait to use this. It's gonna be perfect for the skewers. We just finished up at the Fells Point Farmers Market. Got this beautiful basket full of beautiful vegetables and local grass-fed meats. And I can't wait to get back to Ekiben. My creative juices are flowing. The weather's great. There's so much positive energy out here. Can't wait to get cooking. Let's go. Welcome to the Ekiben kitchen. This recipe is actually super easy. Just get the best ingredients that you can get, obviously, at a farmer's market. We're gonna cut them into like really tiny pieces, and then we're gonna go outside and grill them over a really beautiful charcoal grill. Literally, like your grandkids can do this, your kids can do this. Anyone can do this. I really like New York strip for this recipe because you have this beautiful, well-marbled, kind of lean meat. So typically in China, in like the Western like Xi'an provinces, they'll layer the skewers fat meat, fat meat, fat meat. This is like a street food, so it's meant to be cooked very quickly. A lot of flavor. Skewer, beef, a little bit of that fat, scallion. Don't stab yourself and repeat. Just keep on doing that, the same thing over and over again. That's it. That's your New York strip skewer with scallions. Delicious. Lamb isn't like super popular in the US, but it should be. The #1 skewer flavor in China is lamb. Lamb is like the OG skewer flavor. Here are all of our skewers. We're gonna go grill them over our charcoal grill. Let's go. All right, here we have our beautiful Japanese Conro grill. We have really, really fancy charcoal. It's actually from Thailand. Here we have our beef skewers. Remember these? So good. And we're going to brush them with a little bit of fat. I'm using duck fat. I do not recommend vegetable oil. It'll like taste funny when the oil hits the charcoal. So we're gonna do a little brush and then gonna stick them on top. Hear that sizzle? Beautiful. So we're gonna turn these a lot. We wanna get like a nice caramelization on both sides, and we're gonna hit it with some seasoning. You're not supposed to do the grilling. You're supposed to eat while you grill. Oh man, that was very good. All right, so we're gonna hit it with a little bit more of the sauce. Look at that. This recipe is so easy to make. Anyone can do it at home, in the house. out the house. You don't need any training. But if you're interested in the recipe, visit us on mpt.org/farm. And the recipe is like gonna be this long. So here we have some farm fresh zucchini with a little bit of oyster sauce tare and some Ethiopian spices.
Sure, I'll
Enjoy.
It's really good.
Yeah.
you.
Enjoy.
Oh my gosh. That was amazing.
Yes. All right, there you go. There you go.
Yeah, it's good.
Man. Oh, thank you.
I am going to try that the next time we fire up the grill. So fun. Be sure to check out mpt.org/farm for all our recipes and resources. Plus, you can watch all Farm and Harvest episodes there as well. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for show updates, pictures, and videos.